Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add any website to your dock on Mac using Safari so you can open it like a real app. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. Next, go to the website you want to add to your dock. For example, this could be YouTube, Gmail, or any site you use often. Once the website is fully loaded, go to the top menu bar, click on File, and then select Add to Dock. A small pop-up will appear showing the app name and icon. You can rename it if you want, then click Add, and just like that, the website is now added to your dock as an app. You can click at any time to open the site in its own window, separate from Safari, which gives you a cleaner, distraction-free experience. You'll also find it inside your Applications folder and in Launchpad, and if you ever want to remove it, just drag it out of the dock or right-click and select Remove from Dock. And that's it. Super quick and very useful. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.